YouTube, this is RMS2192 with the Hoover Twist Vac with the swivel nozzle. This is another handheld vacuum that I got from my uncles along with the Dirt Devil hand vac that I showed in the other video. This one's the Twist Vac. The reason it's called a Twist Vac is because you have it normally this way, and if you get into a hard and reach area, you twist it and actually vacuum with it this way. All you do is just turn this and it goes back to normal. And here's where the belt is that you would access that for. 2 amps. Like I said, Hoover. This is the only Hoover that I have, actually. The rest are all are Dirt Devils. Doesn't have a bag. It's bagless with a little pre-filter, and then comes with the cord. There's the cord plugged into the wall. The only reason the cord is curly is because I wrapped it around the vacuum cleaner because there's no actual place to tie it. So, brush roll, and now I'll show it to you working. And there you go. There's my Hoover Twist Vac.